Hey guys, Micah here with the Propeller hardware team. We recently got our hands on the new DJI Mavic3 Enterprise. We wanted to give it a test flight, so we gave it to one of our customers, Justin Russell with Fiore Sons. He's got over 1,000 hours with the Phantom 4 RTK, so let's see what his impressions are.
So the three most important things I find in a drone would be accuracy, battery life, and the interface with your controller. Without those three things, I think you'd have a hard time mapping sites. Yeah, it takes off pretty quick. I like it. Pretty good handling. Ooh, that gimbal is responsive. I like that. It's actually really more responsive than the Phantom 4. I'm actually having a good time right now. So, I really like the black drone. You can see it against the white clouds in the background. You know, the Phantom 4 just disappears, where this one I can see really good. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good game changer. I mean, I've been using the Phantom, so I mean, that was really the ultimate game changer. This is a step up from that. But yes, this drone has a way better interface than the Phantom 4 RTK. The flight time is almost double the Phantom 4 RTK. So it's got the same camera and stuff as it, so we're gonna get the same accuracies. It's got a longer battery life, handles better, lighter, less bulky. It's all around a good machine.
If you have any questions about how the Mavic3 Enterprise can fit into your workflow, please reach out to us.